Uh, Today, I will explain how this model transforms an activity into a routine into evidence, and evidence into transformation. What is shared here is not an example of an activity. This framework demonstrates how behavior becomes embedded in the daily life of the school through a process and behavior-oriented approach. The problem: today, many well-intentioned environmental activities are implemented in education. However, the core problem is this: there are activities, but there is no continuity. When the activity ends, the impact ends as well, because without routine habits do not form. Without evidence, the process remains invisible. When sustainability stays at the level of activities, it disappears. At this point, we clearly state the following: sustainability cannot become permanent unless it enters the daily rhythm of the school. This structure is built on three simple steps: repetition, measurement, and documentation. Repetition allows behavior to become part of daily routines. Measurement does not focus on abstract awareness, but on micro-behavioral signals such as language. Small yet observable indicators. Documentation makes this process visible because we believe that awareness is abstract, behavior is constraint. We observe the constraint and we make the constraint visible. The, this framework does not position the school outside the process, it places the school at the center of the system. The operational flow is clear: access, implementation, evidence, and evaluation. What matters here is not the quantity of content, but the traceability of the process. Evidence is not only for showing results, but for understanding the process. What worked? Where were the challenges? What is the next step? We do not merely provide training, we manage the process together with the school. Accessibility through AI. In the structure, the digital environment is not a showcase. Artificial intelligence does not replace the teacher. It does not make decisions. It does not set directions. It simply carries the process. The goal is not speed but continuity. The digital structure ensures that what is done at school is not lost, reduces workload, and maintains the institutional memory of the process. This balance is critical time for this reason. We use a simple language at the classroom level, seed sprout forest. This is not a ranking but a developmental trajectory. Student work and projects presented at the end of the year demonstrate the outcomes. The portfolio, on the other hand, serves as evidence of the process. We also use this scaling approach in the process evaluation of the Green Development Summit. This year, we are organizing its second edition. Details will be shared in a separate session. The 2030 Sustainable Development Agenda reminds us, us of one thing: sustainability is not only an environmental goal, it is carried through education, lifelong learning, and behavioral change. And as Kolb states, we must Learning is the process whereby knowledge is created through the transformation of experience. This is exactly what we do, transforming experience into behavior in early childhood and behavior into school culture for schools that wish to implement this framework. There is an international school network under the name Green Global School. This network brings together schools where children, teachers, and institutions progress within the same framework, where the process is monitored through evidence, and where schools grow together. Participation is a beginning. What is expected is not speed, but process responsibility and continuity. For any question regarding this framework or for an exchange of views on potential collaborations, I will share Mrs. Nehide Tuna's contact details in the chat. Thank you for your attention.